Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to set commands to a smart device using Alexa. Okay, here we are on the home page of Alexa, and to set this command we need to add the device here in the Alexa app. Okay, to do this we will click on device. In the upper right of screen you click on plus sign, add device. Now we will configure a switch, then you choose a switch. Now you need to choose the SmartLife because it's the app that I configured to control the device, SmartLife. And now there are some questions to help you. Is your switch powered on? Yes. Is your switch already set up in the SmartLife app? Yes. Can you control your switch using the SmartLife app? Yes. Okay, now Alexa will discover your switch. It was found in Connect. Click on Next. You can rename your device, but I don't want to do this, okay? And I will skip this part. And now you can add your smart switch on a group, or you can only skip this part, okay? I will set a group to the smart device. Add to group. Okay, it was added to a group. Continue. It's just a suggestion. Okay, done. Guys, to configure some command to your smart switch, we need to create some routines. And now you click on more routines. In the upper right of screen, you click on the plus sign. To create a new routine, you need to add an event. In my case, I will use the voice type. And my phrase to act with this device is and now we need to add an action. The type of it is smart home switches, and this is my switch. We will set it on because we want to open the gate with this routine. Next. Okay, it was created. Save. And now we need to close the gate. In the upper right of screen, you click on plus sign again. Add an event, the same type. Close the gate. Okay. And now, in the action part, switch, we will set it with off. Okay. Next. Save. And now the routine was configured. Alexa, open the gate.
Okay.
Alexa, close the gate.
Okay.